guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am joined by my lovely sister Rika today, and we are gonna make some slime. We've been trying to plan this for a long time, so I'm excited that we can actually do this today. Rika picked the fluffy slime, so we'll show you how that goes. Alright, what kind of ingredients are we doing today?
Okay, so we have white glue, some shaving cream, and we have warm water with a tablespoon of borax in it.
Pretty impressive stuff.
And we also have some rose gold glitter.
Because we're extra that way. Alright, we're going to shoot the rest of it from top down so you can see the whole process. Thumbnail too. So this is the glitter.
The slime.
Slime glitter. This is the slime, the fluffy slime that we tried to add glitter to, but I think we added it at the wrong part. We suggest putting the glitter before you start mixing because, as you can see, the glitter isn't everywhere.
Or you could try using clear glue instead of white glue. And you probably see the glitter better that way.
I mean, it's kind of starting to mush into each other. The glitter's starting to evolve into the rest of the slime. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed our slime making tutorial. It has been a lot of fun and it only took like 5 minutes, so something fun to do
now. It looks like it's from the upside down.
What's that?
Stranger Things.
Oh yes, it's a Stranger Thing analogy. Okay. Can we skip rope with this, maybe? It's gonna land somewhere. No, we're not gonna have to get it. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and thanks for having a fun slime time with us. And see you next time.